What's up guys, this is Spc Lee from Steadfast Courage, and today I'm going to go over my new setup of my gear. A new plate carrier setup with you guys. Remember in the past I had old setup where I had nothing but a crappy IOTV and a crappy battle belt. It's not crappy, it worked pretty good. I'm not going to lie about that one. The battle belt was pretty good, that's the best thing about it. And I was mixed matched like a bag of dicks. I had IOTV top, an ACU pattern, battle belt, coyote tan, and OCP top and OCP trousers, and I was mixed up like a whole bag of dicks, you know. I'm not gonna lie about that. But now the new setup I got is the wave of the future, my friends. So sit back, strap in, and let me go over my new gear with you guys. So today, what I got is a plate carrier right here from 511. I got a new plate carrier from 511, and let me tell you, this thing is freaking sweet. I like how it looks. It's sexy, it looks high speed, and it looks cool. Like my drill sergeant always says, know your ABCs, always look cool, you know. And I always got confused about the looking part because there's no L in ABCs. So, but anyways, I digress. He'd always stress always look cool, even though you could be the dumbest soldier around, dumbest infantryman around, or dumbest guy around. Make it look like you know what you're doing. You can't go wrong. You can't go wrong, my friends. So trust me, this is true. So what I got here, I'm gonna go over my gloves. My ironclad exo gloves. I've had these for about at least 2 years, and there's finally a hole in it. So if you ever run into ironclad exo gloves, I suggest you buy it because they're pretty good gloves. And what I got here is, as you can see, the channel's name, Steadfast Courage. I got a sweet name tape for that. Of course, my rank and my name, Lee, Spc Lee. And it's pretty nice. And I got this all at the same place, 511. All right. I got the plate carrier from 511. I got the magazine pouches from 511. And what I like about these pouches, and what I don't like about these pouches, is this setup right here. The magazine pouches, this flap right here is supposed to hold down your mags, and you gotta slide it in there just like that. The flap slides over, reverse, and I hate that fact about it, but I love the fact that 2 pouches for the price of 1. All right, you buy 1 pouch, you get 2 pouches, and it fits 2 steel mags and two Magpul mags perfectly, no problem. Then you put the strap over it, holds it down, or you can do like what I was just saying, flip it over like that, and it holds it. Then you grab this little latch right here, pull it up, and you're good to go. But it's inverted, it's reversed than what I'm used to, and that's one problem I have with it. Only problem I have with that. But I do like the fact that these little straps right here hold it too. It's pretty good. It's pretty nice. I like that fact about it. But other than that, it's a good pouch. And of course, I got my IFAK on the side, the right side of me, and I got 2 pistol mags. They go right here. These pistol mags are pretty good because they're the same setup as the pouches in front of me. Same setup, same but different. Can fit 2 magazines. And I'm gonna go over my IFAK. So I already took out all equipment out of the IFAK. It comes with a Sharpie, and this Sharpie is for your tactical combat casualty care card. What you do is you write down everything that happens to you. You know, you got the medic, he writes down everything you need that happened to you. You got gunshot wound on your leg, entry, exit wound, right, left side of you. It's all there, black and white. And the medic also writes down the time he got hurt, what time he put on the tourniquet, if if there's any tourniquet applied, and what type of injury and everything. Just pretty nifty little thing. It's just a little card, but it does so much for you. What I got in that pouch is I got hemostatic gauze, I got tourniquet, I got emergency trauma pad or gauze, emergency combat dressing, some duct tape, a pair of rubber gloves, shears to cut off all the clothes. Best thing to do when you get a gunshot wound is to get the soldier naked and find out where there's any bleeding. It's just like that movie 13 Hours, if you ever seen it. There's a part on there where one of the guys gets hurt and he says, "Get me naked," and that's true. And I got chest seal, compress gauze, another tourniquet. This is a wide tourniquet. It's always good to have extra tourniquets with you, just in case you get shot in the arm, both arms, or you get your legs blown off. You need 2 tourniquets, just in case you get several limbs shot or blown off. It's good to have a tourniquet for that. But you never apply a tourniquet to the neck, obviously. Trauma gauze, trauma dressing. All this is inside the IFAK, and it's good to have. So also, I'm gonna apply this pouch. Most likely, I don't know, I'm thinking applying this pouch onto the side of my plate carrier. It's always good to have a Gerber on you at all times. Gerbers help you so much to make life so much easier, trust me. They really do. And I got upgrade in body armor. What I got here, the UHMWP, lightweight body armor. What it stands for, it's a mouthful, is ultra high molecular weight polyethylene chemical compound. That's what it stands for. It's plastic, obviously. Polyethylene is plastic, fancy word for plastic. And it's a ridiculous name, but it's super light. It weighs only, the website, so I bought this at ar500.com, and the website says it weighs 2.7 pounds, and I weighed it personally, and it weighs more than 2.7 pounds. It weighs 3.1 pounds. That's how much it weighs. It's still light as hell. I have 2 of them in here, front and back, and the total weight is 6 pounds, 6.2 pounds. Super light. If you ever carried body armor before, let me tell you, 6-pound body armor is like, it's like living in clouds. It's pretty sweet. It's pretty nice. Only thing that weighs a lot on this hair kit is the ammo. It's the magazines. Now I'm gonna go over my battle belt. I was gonna get a battle belt originally, but I saw this battle belt and I said, hey, I could use an upgrade from what I have. What I had before is a Black Hawk battle belt. It was pretty cheap. It was a poor man's battle belt. But this one is 511 battle belt and it's rich man's battle belt. Let me tell you what. What I got in here is two mag pouches for the AR-15 mag pouches. And I got 2 pistol pouches, magazine pistol pouches. And I got another seatbelt cutter right here, just in case I lose the one right here. Things always happen. Things happen a lot. It's always good to have excess of everything. It's good to have 2 of everything most of the time, because you could lose stuff. Losing stuff is never a good thing, but if you lose one thing, you always have an extra. So it's always good to have an extra Gerber. It's always good to have extra seatbelt cutter. And what else I got is I got a dump pouch, so I can put my magazines in there without losing them. And I got another tourniquet. I got here a tourniquet pouch with my blood type. Again, tourniquets, very important to have. Extra tourniquets, important to have for your body parts. When you got more than one leg, you got more than one arm. Okay? Remember that you need excess of everything. And the Kevlar is nice to have. So any stray rounds, any stray ricochets, hit the Kevlar, you're pretty safe. And the Rhino mount, is good to have too for night ops, night missions, pulling security at night. I do like having the Kevlar. So I have a problem with this. I like how it is. I like the setup. It feels comfortable. It keeps your ears warm in the winter time. It magnifies the hearing 10 times, and I can actually hear. I'm going deaf, so it's always good to have this bad boy. And my problem with this earphone, this ear pro right here, is that I can't put my Kevlar on without squishing my brains. So I had to go old school with this. So what I use when I'm wearing my Kevlar while shooting is this ear pro. These little squishy foam ear pro. You can get anywhere at any gun shop. They always have ear pro with them. Just ask for it. And last but not least, eye pro. This is not my normal eye pro I use. I just have it with me right now. I have Oakleys. I love Oakleys because they wrap around your eyes. And if brass hits you, they're pretty good about that. I normally wear clear lenses. Clear lenses are nicer than these, in my opinion, because you can wear them at night too. If you have this eye pro, you're gonna have to take it off at night so you can see. That's a pain in the balls to stow this somewhere so you don't scratch up your lenses. So it's always good that when you're out in the field to have clear lenses. And my shank, a Benchmade knife, I keep this on me at all times, with and without uniform. In civvies, it's a very important tool to have. These knife and a Gerber, very important to have. I have one on me all times, and I always have extra on me at all times. Not on me all times, but it's always good to have extra at all times. So yeah, you live and die by this equipment, all right? It's good to have excessive stuff like Gerbers, ear pro, a knife, tourniquets, and of course front to back body armor. I want to make a video where I shoot this, but I'm not going to shoot this particular one. I'm going to shoot one that's not mine. I hope one of these days. This is 350 bucks. And to throw 300 and to shoot at 350 bucks is a lot of money. So I'm not at that point yet. So one day. So that's it from me, from old Spc Lee here, from Steadfast Courage. Like, comment, subscribe, and check out the other videos I have. You want to check out these videos. Because trust me, you're gonna love these videos. Trust me, Steadfast Courage, Spc Lee, always doing something new. Always doing something different. Always making it interesting.